Good evening, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I thank each and everyone who has subscribed and following my channel. Today we are going to see about how to install Kivy in Python and why we use Kivy and what's the purpose of Kivy and how mobile applications are developed using Kivy. So let's move on. So Kivy is a free open source software, or we can say it is a Python library which is deployed for developing mobile applications. And the main idea or the main goal of Kivy is to develop an app only once you will be developing the app, and you may link it to any other devices across all devices in such a way that it makes the code which is being deployed or developed reusable, deployable, and rapid prototyping. That means you can easily redefine for the devices wherever you have given or deployed it. And also finally, it is easy for interaction. So the design which is being developed using or built using Kivy will make the user interact easily. So this is why we go for Kivy. And if you know Python, the major thing is if you know Python alone, you can work on with Kivy. The major difference between the Android Studio SDK or Kivy and the Kivy is Android Studio SDK, you need to learn two languages such as XML and Java. If you are very much an expert in XML and Java only, you may go for Android Studio SDK and it will take hours and hours of deploying a simple app. But in Kivy, it will take rather 15 to 20 minutes only for deploying an app. So as I said before, Kivy is using only Python. Now you would have known about why we are using Kivy and what's the major advantage of using Kivy in mobile application using Python. The next thing we'll move on with the steps involved in installing a Kivy. As I have installed Kivy in my system, it will say it is already available. If in your system, for example, in your system, if you are installing it for first time, it will download the files from the net and it requires internet. Basically, keep in mind it requires internet. So it will download the files from the internet and install the files in the Python folder where the Python exists. For that, first we need to open the command prompt as an administrator mode. Since in administrator mode, it will not throw any error. So that's why I'm telling to open the command prompt in administrator mode. So now we'll open the command prompt in administrator mode. So it will open a window like this. You could see Windows System 32. This means your command prompt is opened in administrator mode. Now direct to the path where Python is available. So I have installed Python in C drive. So here it is. Copy this path by clicking on the address bar. Move to the command prompt. Give cd space and just right click it. The path will be copied. Give enter. Now follow the step which is being. First of all, we have to set up the Kivy installer. For Kivy installation, we have to set up some tools. That is pep build setup tools and virtual environment. This virtual environment is an optional one, but it may be useful for in future projects. So just give Python -m space pip install -upgrade pip wheel setup tools virtual env. If I press enter, it will start collecting the files and it will upgrade it. Or if it is already available, it will show it is already available. Since my system is already installed, it will show it is already installed. Again, I am repeating, this requires internet connection. Without internet connection, the files will not be downloaded. Please verify you are connected to the internet. The installation is being processed. So now the Python is being, the tools which is being to be installed for Kivy is being installed. Next, its dependencies. So Kivy has two dependencies which has to be installed before installing the Kivy. So rightly so. Python -m pip install doctils pygments vypi vin32 qv underscore dpes dot sdl2 is equal to 0.1 point star qv underscore dps dot glew equal to 0.1 point star. So these are the dependencies SDL2, GLE and these tremor are the dependencies, but it says it is already available. Next, Python -m pip install ev underscore dps dot g tremor equal to 0.1 point star. Since it is already as I have installed, it shows it is installed already. Now we have to install the Kivy. So for that, again, the same folder, Python -m pip install Kivy equal to 1.11.1. This is the latest version. So it will also shows requirement already satisfied since I have installed it. For you, if you're installing, it will download the files and it will install it again. And by default, Kivy comes up with inbuilt examples which you may work it out and see how the mobile app is being deployed. So for that, Python, if you want your examples to be installed, Python -m pip install Kivy underscore examples equal to 1 point. Since Kivy is 1.11.1, examples also will be 1.11.1. Sorry, it is double equal to it shows that this requirement is already satisfied. So now we have successfully installed Kivy in Python. So to check it, just go to the folder where Python is available and you can see the Kivy is being installed. And if you click the share folder, you can see the glue, angle, gstimmer and Kivy examples, SDL2, all others are. So if you open this, it shows all the examples as being given here. So this we will see in the next video. So this is how you will install Kivy in Python. Now to check how the Python, whether Kivy is installed in Python or not, go to the Python IDE. One thing I forgot, the thing is, for Kivy, the Kivy will be basically used in version 3.7 alone. The 3.7 version, in any other version 3.7.1 to 3.7.5 you may use it. Now I am using 3.7.5. So Kivy is basically useful in only in 3.7 series. So just give import Kivy and give enter. It shows it is being successfully imported. If not, it will throw an error. No module is available, like that. So this is how you will check how Kivy is installed or not. So this video is basically about why we are going for Kivy for installing, for using mobile app application rather than Android Studio SDK, its advantages and disadvantages. Android Studio SDK's disadvantages being taken over by Kivy, and it's more cross-platform one. And then we moved on with how to install Kivy and check whether Kivy is installed in Python or not. So this is about the video. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep supporting me. Share this video to your friends. Hope it may help someone for developing a mobile app. Thank you. Thank you once again. Meet you soon with another project on Kivy, how to develop a basic mobile app application. Thank you.